Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn 10 birds name. Before start, let me tell you something about a bird. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates. Have feather, wings and beak. Let's start. 1. Our national bird, peacock. 2. Manna. 3. Pigeon. 4. Parrot. Parrot can speak like a ass. 5. Penguin. Aquatic flightless bird. 6. Sparrow. 7. Ostrich. Biggest flightless bird in the world. 8. Crow. 9. Eagle. 10. Owl. Owls have forward looking eyes. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.